Good morning and welcome back to the day 2 of our trip. So let's start to explore. Came to check out the living style of our Maharajas. Welcome to Red Fort, guys. So we are right now inside the gate. So look at this cannon, guys. What we'll call in Hindi, top something, right? What it will call?
Cannon.
Cannon in Hindi, like top, right?
I don't know.
Top, yes.
They'll put the bomb at round 1857 का है ये, 1850 का है, 30, 1857. It's very solid. See, East Indian Company stamp. Years old. So that is ये जो है सबसे पुराना मोजाइक वर्क है. That's the entry gate of the Agra Fort. That's called Royal Gate of the Agra Fort. Royal Gate height 125 feet, made of red sandstone. On the gate we can see tiles work.
So this is not the gate.
That's a simple gate.
Okay.
That's the main gate.
Main gate.
On the gate we will see tiles from China, from Uzbekistan, from Russia.
What we saw in the front, that was the entrance gate, and after walking so long, we got here the main gate. So this is Maharaja's Jahangir's bathtub.
Jacuzzi.
So
Very thick. It's very thick.
so see the structure of a bathtub that time.
There is stairs.
Oh, they have stairs.
Inside also.
Okay, very beautiful.
So big tub.
You want to take bath?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm feeling so amazing after coming inside. So we can feel the feeling of Maharajas.
अच्छा आपने ये देखा होगा कि ये क्यों लगाते हैं?
फुल करने के.
ऐसा होता है जब भी हम अरब कंट्री जाएंगे तो वहाँ एक होता है रिंग, एक बड़ा रिंग होता है.
Okay.
और छोटा रिंग अगर कोई बजाएगा वो लेडीज आएगा, वो लेडीज बजाएगा, तो अंदर से लेडीज दरवाजा खोलेगा. अगर ज्यादा आवाज होगी तो बड़ा बजाएगा तो जेंट्स जानेगा कि जेंट्स आया.
Look at this, guys. You will never get to see something like this. Can you guys imagine? This is called a bedroom area.
One more thing, look at Hindu arts, Muslim arts, all together. One to three. At the center. Hindu art, Muslim arts.
So how are you feeling, guys, after coming to your palace? The best part I love about this, you can see the Indian culture, actually the Hindus culture top there, and the Muslim designs. So they used to define India something like this, and this is really very beautiful. You guys must be seen in Rani Padmavat. Rani always sits back the window with the curtain they used to see. So this is how the windows here for Rani. Seeing all this, part of the 70% of this fort is left, and that is not allowed for public. was going to fulfill guys. We want to see the Maharaja's bathroom.
Yes.
You go with the torchlight with the candle.
So fine, we can't go inside. You have to see here from here itself. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Syria.
Syria.
Yeah, glass from Syria.
It'll shine for you.
It's shining at night, like a galaxy.
So again we can see the Taj Mahal from here itself.
Yes, nowadays we are not allowed to go there. Because Indian army are using. It was for army or Mughal army, top cannon. Okay, one more time, see the Taj Mahal from there, then.
So let me know in the comments below how much you like the red fort of our lovely India. So let me know in the comments below. This is one of the other mahal which Shah Jahan made for his mother. Let's go inside.
नूर जहां थे नूर जहां की बेगम जो मदर थी असमता बेग उसकी कब्र है दोनों की तो ये बनाया था नूर जहां ने अपने फादर के लिए मदर के लिए और यहाँ कजन्स की बहुत सारी टूम है तो ये एक ऐसा मौजूलियम है जिसमें डोम नहीं है
For this trip guys, do not forget to take the umbrella, the very hot sun on top of me, and I would like to take this umbrella right now or else I can't bear. A baby Taj Mahal and it's literally look like Taj Mahal also.
It's older than Taj Mahal.
Oh, it's exact older than Taj Mahal.
From this they got some ideas also.
Right now we have to walk without shoe and it's like literally very hot.
Careful, don't fall in.
Ow, no, I can't walk.
It's okay, come.
2 seconds.
Oh.
No, very good. बॉक्स होगा ना बॉक्स तो इसका मतलब है ही
So this sign known for male and this sign for female.
All these are not just chipping type of thing. It's a stone. So if you see here, the stone has been removed. So these are deep inside. So if you have to do this design, you have to keep stones inside. So everything of this is not tiles. These all are stones and marbles. Mosaic.
So the song Kaisa Hai Ishq Hai Gajab Sa Risk Hai shooted here itself. This is the backside garden of Taj Mahal. So ever you guys heard about Black Mahal? So I am hearing this for the first time actually. Shah Jahan had the plan to make this Black Mahal for himself and unfortunately he got arrested. So after that the construction is left like this. So here we have a very good view of Taj Mahal.
So guys, if you guys are in Agra, then you have a very good
Hello, I'm Fahim
licensed
Khan.
guide.
I am Fahim Khan. I am from Department of Tourism, Government of India. So I'm a tour guide in Agra. If you come Agra, just call me. Okay?
So we'll put the number below. So he'll help you out and he'll explain everything. It's very good to have a guide.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So he'll guide you everywhere.
Thank you.
So we got to know something very appreciative thing. So we got this auto in front of our airport. So meet him. This is a very famous auto here. So बोलिए आपके बारे में कुछ.
My name is Ifraq Khan. I'm an auto rickshaw driver from Agra.
So his so many videos are there in YouTube. So how we got to know? So we saw something this his auto and his name Hindustan Times newspaper. This is something very appreciative.
So if you guys are in Agra, just call him up. We'll put the number below. So he will help you out in traveling and showing all the places. He'll help you with the guide and everything. So contact him. It's very, very reasonable.
Thank you to you all. So here is a yummy lunch. So how did you like Red Fort? So we enjoyed a lot, and as we showed you guys, we choose a very good auto driver and very good tour guide. They are like very polite and safe. If you are coming, if you are planning for Agra, Delhi, call them. We will go leaving their number in the description link. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and please let me know in the comments below how much you liked it. And I just want to ask my Raja, did he like the palace?
Yeah, I liked it very much. It's very big and royal life. So I like all these palaces.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys liked it, and please do comment, like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in my next vlog guys. Till then, take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.